beats.
So what he do, YouTube? Mr. EAZYE does it, back at it with another video for today. You already know the sponsor came through like always. Shout out to Lost Fit. I think, yeah, these were the low beams for the front end. Yes, sir. Because, you know, I've been trying to test these out for a while now. Because the LEDs that I have right now were some little, I guess, like, I don't want to say knockoff, but some cheap version LEDs. I don't know, that I got back when I was starting out like 3 years ago. And I've noticed that they're gone kind of dimmish, and I don't like that at all. I mean, they're still bright, but I don't know. I just don't like them anymore, but oh well. And FYI, guys, if these bulbs end up being crap, I'm going to tell y'all they're crap. Just because I'm sponsored by Lost Fit does not mean I'm going to lie to y'all and be like, oh yeah, these bulbs are the best. They're super bright. I don't want to be like that. I'm not no fake ass. I don't know how to say it, but I just don't want to finesse y'all or scam y'all out of y'all's hard-earned money, because, you know, I know how that feels. So I'm going to keep it real. Like, I don't care if I'm sponsored. I'm going to tell y'all the truth. And I'm going to try to install this new fog light that I got, because I don't know if y'all saw my Instagram, but the fog light that I installed a couple months ago, the wire on it ripped off completely, and I was just like, ugh. I mean, I could have gotten the wire, but you know me, I try to keep it A1, everything like brand new. I'm not going to use no cheap aftermarket stuff, but you already know I might as well just install this. But yeah, I think I'm gonna install the fog light first, so y'all wish me luck. Hopefully everything goes well, and I'm gonna just bring out under the car. Let's see what happens. Okay, but the first thing I'm gonna do, because you know you learn from your mistakes, but I'm gonna tape this like in a little ball like this, so it's not gonna be hanging like last time. I mean, I taped it, but it was under the car, so you know it wasn't like fully taped. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but you learn from your mistakes, so I'm gonna do that real quick. So I got them taped up, but that's how I'm gonna rock it for a little bit, because you know I did order the wiring kit like what today in the morning, because you know it's time to wire these bad boys up. I gotta stop lagging hard, and I still gotta order the LED bulb, but I'm not sure yet, because I kind of want to rock the halogens for a little bit and then get a LED. But then again, I'm not really sure, bro. Yep, my big ass can definitely fit under here without the jack. But oh my god, this is what I hate. I know it's gonna be a problem trying to get this off. What, bro? Okay, so I got it off, but I didn't even have to unscrew it, bro. Like, because I had the zip tie. I don't know if y'all can see it. Where is it at? Right there. It was zip tied to this side, and the little bolt was just like inserted. I don't even know how the hell I did it, but I remember I did it a ghetto ass way, because the screws did not want to go in. I think they're just extra ones I found, because they never gave me new ones, but I'm kind of worried about that one, honestly, because I don't want the thing falling off. But so I'm almost done installing the fog light. I got it on, I bolted it on, but the bolt didn't want to screw on, so I just kind of pushed it in. And now what I need is like some sort of washer to bolt onto the bottom of the bolt so it won't fall off. And I need like a zip tie to zip the other part, because I can't find any other screws to bolt it onto. And then again, I don't have enough space, so that's how I did it with the other one. But I just need to go to the store and get some zip ties, because I cannot find the ones I had, bro. Like, what the hell? Yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree real quick, because I think they do something there, and if they don't, then man, I'm gonna have to go to Target or something. But I just gotta get that done, you know. We gotta do it the getaway. If it works, it works. I don't even know what that happened to him, honestly. I'm pretty sure, I have a feeling the what's it called, the body shop guy who we took the Tahoe to when they crashed it, I'm pretty sure he kept them, because when I was changing out the taillight in the back, I noticed that one of the taillights had the zip tie on. I was like, for what? Like, couldn't you just use a bolt? So I'm pretty sure he kept them, but YOLO, it is what it is. Anyways, I'm just here. I pulled up right here at Dollar Tree right now. Man, what's with all this construction and stuff right here? Like, it's just a little parking spot. It's why I hate coming to this Dollar Tree, because it's ghetto as hell. Like, I'm not even lying. Like, it's, oh my god, somebody's probably gonna ask me for money right there right now. I can guarantee you, bro. And I'm pissed as hell, bro. Can you believe they didn't even have zip ties? Whole freaking store was pretty much empty as hell. Like, oh my god, over some zip ties? Like, really? What the hell, Bree? And I do not want to go to Walmart or Target for some damn zip ties. I hate going into those places so bad, but... And I guess I'm just gonna have to go to the ultimate ghetto store around this North Austin, but... YOLO, anything for the truck. Never mind, I'm just go to Target. I don't feel like going all the way over there for them damn zip ties. Like, don't y'all just avoid certain stores because certain people be working there? Like, I avoid these type of stores because it's usually the people from high school that I went to be working here, and like I don't want to deal with them. Like, you know, I hated school so much with a passion. I hated everybody in there, so I don't want to see their ugly ass faces. But like I said, anything for the truck. God, I hate Target. Bro, how hard is it to find zip ties? I asked the employee here because I was looking around, I couldn't find them. And I was like, hey, excuse me, do you know where the zip ties are at? And homeboy didn't even know where the hell they were. So he looked it up on his little machine thing, his scanner. And he was like, no, sorry, we don't have them in individual like packages or whatever, like I need them. So I was like, oh my God, now I gotta go to the ghetto store. Oh no, I hate going over there. Small ones, I need the big ones, bruh. Well, as you guys saw, they only have small ones. Like, why in the hell would you need those small ones for? Like, for what? Man, you know what? I'm like really heated right now. I'm not trying to cuss or nothing, but I'm just so heated right now. I'll just catch on in a bit. I'm gonna see what happens. So never mind, guys. I was able to put the little washer on. I can't even find it, but I was able to put the washer and tighten it up real well, and now it's not loose anymore. See? So anyways, guys, now that I got the fog light out the way, here are the bulbs. Lots of you already know, best brand around here. Hopefully these bulbs are good. You already know. Got the little lost fit thing right here. Damn, they even gave me 3 stickers: white, red, and black. I think I'm gonna put one of these right here. I don't know, but that's badass though. But here's the little bolts right here. These are kind of similar to the ones that I have right now, but oh, I didn't even notice that. But the little chip, because the one that I have is like a bigger one. I'm gonna try to take out the bulb real quick. But yes, alright, that's pretty much everything that's in the box. I forgot where does it say the information? I think it was under or behind the box right here. Let's see. 60 watts, 6,000 lumens, 6K, 6,000K. Always get the 6,000K if you want the white ones, because you know different ones have like a bluish tint to them, like bluish and then dark blue. Like that's ugly as hell. So always go for the 6,000K. That's the best one you could get. But that's all on y'all, honestly. I prefer 6,000K. But yeah, 6,000 lumens. I'm kind of surprised that 6,000, because I know there was, I think, like a higher one, because I know the bulbs that I have right now are 6,000 lumens, like, you know, 3,000 each. But I'm hoping these are brighter than the ones I have right now, since these are better quality and the ones I have are like cheaper quality. But let's see, guys. But honestly, I think what I'm gonna do first is take off the whole grill, to take off this corner, like, because once again it's covered in freaking water. But if you guys want to know how to take off the headlight without taking the grill off, all you gotta do is just unscrew these right here, and the headlight lens pops off and you can get access to the bulb. So I got it off now, and obviously look at all the water. So I shake it and all the water's coming out just like last time, Bree. So I'm kind of screwed because I don't have any little whatever the hell these are called to unscrew this. So I guess I'm gonna have to take off the whole headlight apart, like remove the bolts from right here, because I can't find anything to fit it. Damn, just my luck, honestly. Today's just been bad. So anyways, I was able to take it out. Now we got the bulbs back here. I honestly prefer this method over doing the clips, because if you screw too hard, and it just depends on the quality of the headlight, but that little clip right here can break off. And that's what happened to my old headlights. That's why they were super loose as hell. But now let's do a comparison real quick. See, I told y'all they look similar as hell. We got the Lost one on the right, and the one on the left is the little cheap one. But side by side, I can tell that the left one's a little bit more bulkier from the fan right here. This one's a little bit like, I guess, skinnier or wider. I don't know what the hell. But yeah, see how I said this little chip is smaller than this one. So, you know, I'm expecting for the Lost one to be brighter because it's smaller, because, you know. Oh, I just noticed the fans are different, and I honestly don't know if the Lhasa ones are what do you want to call it, polarity sensitive or whatever the hell they're called. You know, when you plug it in and they don't turn on, so you have to rotate it 180 degrees and it turns on. Hopefully, because last time I did that with this bulb and my fuse went on. I really don't want that to happen. Yep, I know they're gonna be polarity sensitive or whatever. See, because they clipped on the wrong way. Oh man, right off the bat I can tell this is gonna be bright as hell, because not even my other ones were this bright in the sunlight. I don't know if you can hear the little fan, but the fan is a little bit more quieter and smoother than the other one, or the other bulb that I had. But yeah, this boy is bright as hell. Look at it. And when daylight, bruh, freaking sun's like burning me. One thing I forgot to mention is the bulbs are 360. I don't know, I forgot what it was called, but you can rotate the little fan any way you want, so you can adjust it right here. So in case these little things, the bulb doesn't fit the right way, you can adjust it right here. Now, that's pretty badass, because I couldn't do that with these. But yeah, you know, small little details matter. I'm gonna watch me struggle trying to put this bulb back on. Old ass rusty bolts, I swear. So it's screwing in, but then it stops, like spinning. Like, oh my god. This is why I hate dealing with this crap right here with the front end. It's always problematic as hell. Man, just go in, bro. Anyways, guys, I finally bolted everything back on. Man, just look at the LEDs on top. I know you can see them pop out a lot. I mean, on camera it just looks like a blob of white, but in person, I promise you, they're really sharp and white. As a matter of fact, these are actually way brighter and more like, not brighter but sharper, like more wider than my other ones. But yeah, these are actually pretty nice. But the most important question is, how do these look like at nighttime? Because, you know, that's the thing that matters the most. That's the reason for the LEDs. Man, can it get dark already? Sun's barely going down, but I'm really curious to see how these lights look like at night, because, you know, brand new LEDs, you already know. Bro, okay, so it's already nighttime, and look at the difference. These are my high beams. See right there? And then, boom, look at my high beams. You can instantly tell the difference. My high beams are dim as hell. But man, just look at the difference, and then look at my switchback, bright as hell, bro. Like, and then no hyper flash either. So yes, sir. But yeah, today was crazy as hell. 3 mini trips, and we couldn't even find what we needed, but there was a solution at the end from yours truly, Mr. EAZYE does it. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, because it helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And, you know, if you have an OBS, obviously you're going to run into these types of videos if you have an OBS. Make sure to go check out the rest of my content, because I do have a lot of OBS stuff, top mods, what I've done to my truck, how much I've spent on my truck, etc., etc. Just go check it out. But yes, sir, boy, you should have known by now. Easy does it. I'll just catch you on the next one. Peace.